Good evening, guys. Benjamin here with your weather update for Wednesday evening at 9:30. This is Tropical Depression 16, soon to be Tropical Storm Nate, and down the road, Hurricane Nate. The spiraling is getting itself together tonight. You can see all the heavy thunderstorms that are starting to get really tight in the center here, and they're blowing up. You can see the in the last frame here. You can see that they're hitting the atmosphere, and as the sun comes down, the reflection off the high tops are still receiving sunlight because of the sun still reaching high into the atmosphere like that. So the system moving northwest, soon to be Hurricane Nate, Tropical Storm Nate, and then Hurricane Nate. The NHC's forecast cone has moving northwest with a very compact cone. And then once it gets into the Gulf of Mexico, it's going to get picked up by a cold front and move northeast and affect anywhere along this anywhere along these coastlines. We don't know exactly when yet because there's a lot of things that can change, and even the NHC is having a difficulty time forecasting it. But as you can see, they're showing it pretty much hitting somewhere here along this Florida Panhandle and Alabama, and we'll see if that pans out. We still got some time here, not a lot of time, but for forecasting at least. There's an infrared image of the storm getting its act together, looking good. Forecast track, here it is, moving northwest, and as you saw in the NHC's forecast, it's pretty much the same. Here is a model run. There's a system down here off the coast of Nicaragua, and it moves northwest in 24 hours. Well, maybe this is more like 12 hours. It hits the coast of Nicaragua, which I don't think it's going to do. I think it's moving northwest away from the coast, maybe just hit the tip of this Caribbean coastline. And then move more northwest in between Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula into the Gulf, and then gets picked up, moves east, northeast, and into the Panhandle, and then shoots away out into sea somewhere. The intensity forecast has changed since yesterday. Yesterday, most of these runs in time have shown the system as a tropical storm, and one of these spiked up into Category 1. Where you can see now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are showing it in Category 1 or higher. One even has it as Category 3. So this trend from yesterday to today shows it. Most of the models are doing Category 1, and I predict that it'll change within time, and we'll even have a lot of them agreeing to be Category 1 because with the waters being so warm, as you can see in this image, once it gets out in here, I could see this thing just getting really strong. But we'll have to see what happens there. Back to the track, the model, intensity. Here are the times for the tropical storm force winds to hit. It looks like Saturday evening will be the time if it were to hit the Panhandle. If it were to hit West Florida or more southern Florida, the times would be different, and that would be more like Friday evening or Saturday, probably Saturday morning or something like that. We'll have to see. And that's it. You guys have a great... Oh, real quick, just going to show you the radar. It's been a lot of rain today, and it'll be tonight as well. 25 mile per hour winds. Tomorrow, the same thing, 90% chance of rain with gusty winds of 20 mile per hour, and it'll be like that until tomorrow evening pretty much, and then the chances die down a little bit. Hopefully by this weekend we'll have some time to get out without worry of rain. And that's it. You guys have a great day. Bye.